Hi, this is Dave for Expert Village. Today we're going to make one of my all-time favorite comfort foods, salmon cakes. Okay, now we've poached our salmon in our broth, our liquid, for about 4 minutes or so, and you can just see the different color change right here. Okay, so what I've done is I've prepared, we have a plate here with a paper towel because we want to drain this pretty good before we flake it, and we want it to cool down anyway before we put it in the bowl. So just go ahead and go right into your pan. You can see it's already starting to fall apart just a little bit. That's exactly what you're looking for. So go ahead and just put it right on your paper towel. We'll leave the lemons behind in the poaching broth. Go ahead and drain that as well as you can before you put it on here. It'll make it much easier for you once you put it on your paper towel. Some nice big fresh salmon. I think you're going to love this a lot more than what you get out of the can. So just go ahead and put it on there. We'll let that drain. We'll set this aside and let this cool off a little bit. Then we'll be ready to go and put together our salmon cakes.